Hey, what's going on, guys? If you're like me and you always have just hundreds of dollars of cash lying around, or if you own your own business and you need to get a cash register, a cash drawer rather, this is a really good option. I just got this off of Amazon and I'm really liking it. So this is what it's looking like. Something I love about it is it comes with 6 keys. So you can give it to multiple family members, multiple employees, however you want to say it. So all you need to do is you just insert it like that, and then you can just flip it this way, and look at that. It opens right up. So super good. You can also use the cord that it comes with right here. So if you want to connect this to your computer, then you can plug this in on the bottom right here. You can plug this right in, and then that is going to deliver the signal from your computer to the cash register, and then that'll open this up right away. So I'm gonna give you a close-up look on the inside of this. Alrighty guys, so here we are. Like I said, you can just grab your key right here. You can slide it right on in. So let me go ahead and just insert the key right like that, and then just turn it to the left, and then boom, it opens right up just like so. Let me show you what it's looking like in the top here. So you've got places for coins here, or you can pull this out actually. And then there's just an area here, and that is where you could just directly slide cash or coin right into here and just have it kind of sit right here. And then you've got 4 cash tabs right here that you can sort by cash. So let me get some cash in here. Okay, so I just went and grabbed some cash. So just so you can kind of get an idea, you can put your Benjamin, right here on the left. And then here I've got my 20s. So I like to just count my 20s here. I like to put my 20s all here on one side. Okay, I like to keep my bigger bills to that side. And then I like to combine my 10s and 5s into one right here. And then for easy change, I like to put all of my 1s onto the same one here. So if we kind of just get these opened up like so. This right here are the 1s. You're able to go like so. And then boom, you can just load those in right like that. That holds it down. And then I also grab some of my coins, which I always like to keep with me. Okay, so then you can keep your coins in here. Just like that, you've got your coins in there. So looking up now, check this out. You've got coins, you've got cash, and you are safe. So you can totally close it, and that stuff is not coming out anytime soon. So definitely check this stuff out. You're going to absolutely love this. It's gonna keep all your dinero and your money nice and safe. And real quick, just wanted to show you, if you do decide to take out the coin drawer, then you can use these to just kind of funnel money right in, just like that. And now that money is inside and safe, just like that. So that's another way you can utilize it. Overall, it's awesome. Check it out.